Proprietary carbon fiber ceramic materials enhance the strength of a typical ceramic brake pad compound to handle heavier loads. Rotor material cast iron. Low dust braking validated through on-vehicle third-party tests in Los Angeles, showing on average 30% less dust versus O. Drilled slotted performance rotors for maximum cooling. Includes stainless steel installation hardware and high-temperature ceramic brake lubricant. The PowerStop Z36 truck and tow performance brake kit provides the superior stopping power demanded by those who tow boats, haul loads, tackle mountains, lift trucks, and play in the harshest conditions. The brake rotors are drilled to keep temperatures down during extreme braking and slotted to sweep away any debris for constant pad contact. Combined with our Z36 Carbon-Fiber Ceramic performance friction formulation, you can confidently push your rig to the limit. This complete brake kit has been engineered to handle the added stress of towing, hauling, mountainous driving and lifted trucks. Top reviews from the United States. Seems solid. Shipped and arrived fast. Installed like any other brand but seems more solid. For towing I replaced all four, so we'll see how long everything lasts.